This profession is amazing because I wake up every day and I do things that I'm passionate about. My name's Andy Sabuti. I'm the Department Chair and Professor of Human Physiology and Nutrition at the University of Colorado, Colorado Springs. We grew from a very small university to a medium-sized university very quickly, and so we needed some sort of platform that would help scale. We were excited to look at what LT might be able to offer for us.
Because the content was already there and pre-existing, we were able to implement that very quickly for our students. Trying to set up a lab without the online platform that LT offers would have been much more challenging and much more time-consuming for us.
We all have so many things going on and we need to set up labs quickly and get them going. And so now a lot of the administrative end of setting up a lab and managing the lab has been taken off of our shoulders.
Using the LT software has freed up so much time on our part, on the instructional team. It allows us to be flexible with our face-to-face time with different groups of students.
It is out of the box and ready to use, but it also gives you enough flexibility to make minor changes that you need for whatever you want to tailor to your class.
My favourite feature of LT is the capacity to customise. It's the capacity that we have to edit the labs and also help better support our students with that edit function that we have.
I absolutely think that the LT software has helped with the engagement with students because they can see the desired response in real time.
Students love LT because of the ability to get hands-on with the equipment in a lab setting and collect data.
It's not like I make them do something and then I do all the work and show it to them up on the board. They're doing this, so they kind of have a little bit of ownership into it.
For me, the success is not just delivering the lab content, but developing a skill set that may help them in their future profession.
They really enjoy being able to administer a perturbation to one of their fellow students and see how the physiology is altered.
They're really happy when they finally get good data, and then they understand what good data is and how important that is to the scientific process. I think what stands out to me about LT is just that hands-on interaction. For kinetic learners, that's incredibly important.
Students do access LT before they come to the lab. That's really useful, and the students have found that to be beneficial because it means when they actually do arrive, they're better prepared.
I think students appreciate that it's available at any point in time. These students, they're not all traditional. We have a lot of non-traditional students, and that means that they have stuff at home they need to do, working schedules, so that just gives a lot of flexibility for them.
So LT is fundamental in our 3060 labs because it creates consistency between the different instructors.
The hands-on day-to-day stuff is standardized, and that's huge because now I know that what they get in Class A is the same as in B and C.
It's so streamlined that I'm actually able to be more consistent with how I grade with each question.
I think if you're looking for something to implement right away, you could go with LT and be up and running in the first semester.
Students struggle all the time, and we're here to actually get them to that point where they get it and they can take that knowledge and go do amazing things with it.